Well, it's a bit rainy, it's a bit miserably here at Dynodaze this morning, but we have got this beauty of an FN2 in for map. So, custom Ecutek feature map with launch control and flat foot shifting and auto blip and all of the goodness that comes with the Dynodaze custom map is going on this beautiful FN2. He's travelled a little way this morning to get here, but it is lovely, isn't it? So that's coming in and going on the dyno shortly. We've got an FN2 on the ramps and plenty of work to be getting on with. So let's get cracking. So let's start this video off with a quick rundown of some modifications it's got. It's got this great big ting-tong. Ting-tong, I shouldn't really say that, should I? I don't know what that is. What is that, Rich? It's I know it's an induction kit, Richard. Yeah, so it's got an induction kit. It's got a 4-branch manifold, decat and exhaust system on it. So it's got some breather mods. That's going to help it. We're going to run it on the dyno, see what it makes a standard form before we put a Ecutek base file on it with a license. Yeah. Yes. I do love my FN2s, don't I? Great colour choice of wheel against the paintwork. I think that's a really handsome colour on this FN2. Very clean. Yeah, look at that, lovely. So what are they? Ooh. Lovely, lovely. Okay, so that's us finished. As you can see, loads of gains in the mid-range, made power across the rev range, obviously all the way up to the limiter. And once we finished on the same sort of peak brake horsepower number, yeah, all those gains are here. There's like 30-40 brake horsepower in that midsection there, so you're definitely going to feel that. And a little bit of custom tuning. The customer wanted a little bit of noise, so yeah, we've given them a little bit of noise, as you can see in the video. So there you go, custom tuning, Ecutek software, FN2, another one done.